Hi, my name is Laura Askell. I'm the Ag Ed Farm Manager with Chrysholm Historic Farmstead in Metro Parks of Butler County at 2070 Woodsdale Road, Trenton, Ohio 45067. And today we're going to be exploring one of the 3 historical gardens that are maintained by our master gardeners here at Chrysholm. We have a special guest. Her name is Jenny, and she's going to tell us about the 3 sister gardens. Let's go check out what we can find out.
I'm Jenny Hertenstein. I'm a Butler County Master Gardener. I'm also a volunteer at Metro Parks of Butler County and a member of Friends of Chrysholm. And we are here today at the Chrysholm Historic Farmstead at their period garden. And we have a vegetable garden, we have an herb and medicinal garden, and then we have a pie garden at the end. This is a Master Gardener project. To become a Master Gardener, that's a program that Ohio State University runs. Ohio State University runs out of their College of Food, Agriculture, and Environmental Sciences. And what you do is you sign up for 50 hours of classroom learning and 50 hours of volunteer work on events in Butler County to become a Master Gardener. And it's a great program. You get to educate and meet lots of people in Butler County and work on a lot of interesting projects. So the project we have here, I like to do this every year in our vegetable garden, is have a 3 sister garden. 3 Sisters Garden is a garden developed for centuries by the Native American population, and it was they called it the sustainer of life. It's an example of companion planting where each plant helps the other to grow. And we have corn and beans and squash. And this combination is actually a nutritionally complete diet. So you get all your nutrients that you need to be very healthy in this one garden. The garden consists of corn and vining beans and squash. What we do here, we have a small space, so we make a mound of about 3 foot by 3 foot, and we plant 9 corn in there and let that go for 2 or 3 weeks. And when the corn is about maybe 6 inches high, we come and thin it out, and then we plant the vining beans. Kentucky pole beans are a good example. You don't want bush beans. You want something that's going to vine. So the corn is going to be the trellis for the beans. The beans come up and start to vine onto the corn. So the corn is the trellis, and the beans kind of anchor the corn, and they also take nitrogen out of the air and feed the plants. Then after the beans come up, a week or 2 after you've planted them, we plant the squash. The squash goes all around the whole planting, and it is it's a protection for the planting. It shades the soil and keeps the moisture in there, and it also has a prickly stem, so it keeps the critters out of the planting. And that's how you do it. It gets much larger. It will fill every available space in this. Miss Laura gave me a couple of props here. We have some fish, and that reminds me that the Native Americans gave this tip to the settlers as they came through, that as you're planting your seeds, you dig very deep, put a fish in, and then cover it with a little bit of soil, then put your seeds in, and that fish will then fertilize your plant. So it's like the perfect fertilizer for your seeds. You have to bury it deep though, otherwise the critters are going to come and dig your whole garden up trying to find it.
Thanks again to Jenny for all the information about the 3 sister gardens that we have out here at Chisholm Historic Farmstead. Come on out and see what else we have growing. Log off, shut down, get outside, and to see our next activities coming up, go to our website at yourmetroparks.net. Thank you.